Every year, the online business space is growing with the promise of making more and working less, even in your activewear. We look at industry experts as an example of what our lives and our businesses could become. But there's one thing that these industry leaders are doing in their online business that you're probably not. They have mastered the art of speaking and selling on stages. Think about it. Every industry leader in the online space either runs their own live event or speaks on stages in major conferences. Why is this? Because your audience no longer wants to be a number. They want human connection. They want to know that they're not just a number or a statistic on your Infusionsoft database. They want to know that they are a human, someone that you care about. This is why being on stages is so important. On a live stage, you have the opportunity to interact and see transformation in the lives of your audience members like you can never experience in an online platform. So if you truly desire to be an industry leader, a market leader in the online and thought leadership space, then you must learn how to speak and even sell on stages. And then the rest of the time you can spend in your activewear.